Want to add some high-stakes energy to your next live stream? This year, the Whatnot Randomizer isn't just for giveaways anymore, it's the ultimate tool for mystery pools, surprise sets, and break assignments. And I'm showing you how to unlock the wheel and customize it for your specific show format. So first, you have to make sure that the tool is actually turned on. In the Whatnot app, go to your account tab and settings and then preferences. Find the toggle for seller tools and make sure it's green. If you're on the computer, you can enable this by opening your show from the Seller Hub and clicking the More button in the right-hand sidebar to find the Seller Tools menu. And now you can build the wheel. While in camera preview mode or already live, tap the three dots in the corner and select Randomizer. So for card breaks, you can use the pre-filled templates for NFL, NBA or MLB teams, and for custom ones, you can use the manual entry field to type in your own options. Also, you can save these lists as presets, so you don't have to retype them every time. Right, and if you're running a mystery game, you should use the surprise set format. When you create your show, set the format to surprise set. This allows you to link the randomizer directly to your inventory. When someone wins an auction, the wheel can auto-randomize, instantly picking an item from your hidden list and showing it to the chat. This keeps your game fair, transparent, and 100% compliant with Whatnot's gambling policies. And then when it's time to spin, hit Shuffle Entries to show the chat it's fair, then tap Spin Wheel. In this here, you can choose between a quick spin for fast-paced shows or a slow reveal for maximum drama. Then, once the winner is picked, tap Remove if you want to take that option off the wheel for the next round, or keep if you're doing a repeating game. And this is how you put the random in Randomizer in this year. If this wheel setup helped you boost your engagement, hit subscribe and like the video.